Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to study the how to represent the rational number on a number line. Okay, this is under the chapter rational numbers of class 8th. So as we all know that we can represent the rational numbers like this. So here will be 0, this will be positive side, and on the left side it will be a negative side. We have to remember one thing here, that the number will increase from left to right and it will decrease from right to left. Okay, so as we see the question, you will be able to understand. Write the rational number for each point labeled with a letter. So you can see here question is given. Here two questions are been given. So first question is, they have given a number line here and we have to just say that A, B, C, D and E value we have to write. So as you can see, there are some spaces left over here. We have to tell what this spaces stands for. Similarly in this question. Okay, so let us see the answer for this. So here you can see the space, this is 0 by 5. So in between 0 by 5 and 2 by 5 there is one space left. So we can write it as 0 by 5. After 0 by 5 we can write 1 by 5. Similarly 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 5 by 5, 6 by 5, 7 by 5 and the numbers will continue. Okay, so the A stands for 1 by 5. B stand for 4 by 5, C stand for 5 by 5, D is for 8 by 5 and E is for 9 by 5. Similarly you can see here this is given in the negative, here they have given negative numbers. So we can write here negative numbers, that is minus 1 by 6. So the next number will be minus 2 by 6, minus 3 by 6. Similarly you can see here, see the answer here. So 0 by 6, minus 1 by 6, minus 2 by 6, minus 3 by 6, minus 4 by 6, minus 5 by 6 and the number will continue. So here J stands for minus 11 by 6, I stands for minus 8 by 6, H stands for minus 7 by 6, G is for minus 5 by 6 and F for minus 2 by 6. Okay, as you can see here the alphabets are also given in the reverse order, that is F, G, H, I, J. It means you have to go in a reverse order because this is in the subtraction manner. Okay, so moving on to the next part, what we have to study next is rational numbers between two rational numbers. Okay, how to find rational numbers when two rational numbers are given. Okay, so the question here is, find a rational number between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. So here you can see they have asked a question for us to ask only one rational number between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. So what can we do? You all have heard about mean, finding mean. How to find mean? That is average, the middle term of the two number. What we have to do is we have to add these two numbers and we have to divide it by 2 so that we will get the answer here. Okay, so you can see here we have to find out mean for the rational numbers. So you can see these are two rational numbers, that is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2, and when we divide it by 2, what we are going to get here, as the denominators are different, we cannot add this. So we need the LCM here. So the LCM for 4 and 2 is 4. So when we multiply here, okay, we are having the LCM as 4. So when we multiply here, okay, 4, we will get 4 1s are 4, as well as here we will get 2 2s are 4. So similarly we have to multiply this only to the numerator part here also. So here you can see we got 1 into 1 as 1 plus 1 into 2 as 2 divided by 4. Okay, and whole divided by this 2 as it is. So this will become 1 plus 2 is 3 by 4 divided by 2. So when we take this 2 to the upper part, it will become 3 by 4 into 1 by 2. As you can see here 2 will be 2 is divided by 1. So when this 2 by 1 is moved to the upper part, it will get reverse. Okay, it will get reverse and the division sign will change into multiply and it will become 1 by 2. So here 3 into 1 is 3 and 4 2s are 8. Okay. This is the method to find one rational numbers between the two rational numbers. So similarly, if they have given more than one rational number between two rational numbers, how to find? So there are few steps here to find. Okay, we shall see the first step. So first step is find the LCM of the two rational numbers. So here the question is given as 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. So what we have to do? LCM of 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. So what will be the LCM of 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 is 4. Okay. So the LCM here will be 4. Next, multiply a number to the numerator and denominator of both 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 such that its denominator is the value of the LCM. So it means here we got LCM as 4. So we will keep this 4 as it is. So here we have to multiply a number such that when we multiply this number to the denominator, okay, this number to the denominator, we have to get the LCM in this denominator part. So you can see 4 is our LCM and our question is 1 by 4. So when we multiply 1 to this 4, we are going to get 4. Okay. So when we multiply 1 here, the same number you have to multiply to the numerator as well. Okay. So here it will become 1 into 1 is 1 and 4 into 1 will become 4. And to one more number is there, that is 1 by 2. So you can see here we need the numerator we need the denominator as 4. So when you multiply 2 to this denominator, we are going to get 4. When you multiply 2 here, similarly you have to multiply 2 to the numerator part also. So it will become 1 into 2 is 2, 2 into 2 is 4. Okay, this is the step 2. Next step is multiply the answer with 2 on the numerator as well as denominator until you get your answer. So you can see here we need 3 rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. So here you can see we got 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Is it we are having any middle number between these two? No, we are not having any number between 1 by 4 and 2 by 4. So what we have to do is we have to go on multiplying this number until we get 3 numbers between this rational numbers. So 1 by 2 into 2, multiply both numerator as well as denominator, we will get the answer as 2 by 8. Similarly for 2 by 4 we are getting the answer as 4 by 8. Now you can see between 2 by 8 and 4 by 8 there is only one number, that is 3 by 8. We need how many numbers? We need 3 numbers between 2 by 8 and 4 by 8. So what we have to do? We have to take this answer 2 by 8 and 4 by 8. Again we have to multiply it by 2. So that we will get 4 by 16. And here when we multiply we are going to get 8 by 16. Now you can see between 4 by 16 and 8 by 16 we are having 3 numbers. 5 by 16, 5 by 16, 6 by 16 and 7 by 16. So we got 3 numbers between 3 rational numbers between our 4 by 16 and 8 by 16, that is 5 by 16, 6 by 16 and 7 by 16. Okay. So depending on these two things we are going to solve an exercise, that is exercise 2.2 on rational numbers. So here the first question is represent these numbers on a number line. So here 2 questions are given and we have to represent this on the number line. So the first question is 7 by 4. So you can see here we have to start from 0 by 4. We have to keep the denominator as it is and we have to continuously go on changing the numerator with the same denominator until we get our answer. So here 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4 we have to continue up to 7 by 4. So we will get our 7 by 4 value here. This is how you can show the how you can represent your rational number on the number line. Similarly here one more negative number is given, that is minus 5 by 6. How we can solve this? You have to remember when the minus comes your answer must start from right to left side. Okay, it means you have to use the negative side of the number line. So you will start with the same denominator and with a 0. 0 by 6, minus 1 by 6, minus 2 by 6, minus 3 by 6, minus 4 by 6, minus 5 by 6 and minus 6 by 6. So what is our answer? Answer is minus 5 by 6. Just make a box to that and you can simply leave it. Okay, this is the answer for the first one question. So moving on to the second question. Represent minus 2 by 11, minus 5 by 11, minus 9 by 11 on the number line. So here you can see all the three numbers are negative. So what we have to do? We have to use the negative part of the number line, that is from right to left side. So we have to start with the same denominator, that is 11. Okay, 0 by 11, minus 1 by 11, 2 by 11, 3 by 11 and so on. We need up to minus 9 by 11. So that we have to represent this number on our number line. So you can see the numbers, you can mark it. Okay, and you can show this on the number line. Next comes third question. Write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. So you can see here 2 means it will be 2 divided by 1. So you have to write the rational numbers which are smaller than 2 divided by 1. It means this is plus 2 divided by 1. So you can use any number which are in negative, that will be always smaller than 2. As I have said you here, so 2 is here and this will be decreasing. Here the value will be decreasing. So it means all these numbers which are provided here are less than our plus 2. So you can write any number out of this number and you can tell that it is less than 2. Okay. So for the sample I have written few answers here. So you can use minus 1 by 1, 1 by 1, minus 5 by 1, minus 7 by 1, minus 9 by 1. Why I have used here 1? Because the question is having the denominator as 1. You can even use any of the thing. Okay, you can even use any denominator and show the numbers which are smaller than plus 2. Next, coming to the fourth question. Find 10 rational numbers between, here two questions are there, that is minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2, 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. So what we have to do is, taking this question, minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. First what we have to do, we have to find the LCM of the denominator. So LCM of 5 and 2 is 10. So what we have to do, we have to multiply a number to this number as well as to this number such that we should get the denominator as 10. So when we multiply 5 into 2, we are going to get 10. Okay, so 5 2s are 10. When you multiply 2 to the denominator, you also have to multiply 2 to the numerator. You will get minus 2 into 2 is minus 4 by 10, and in this case 1 by 2. When you multiply 2 5s, you are going to get 10. So if you multiply 5 to the denominator, you also have to multiply 5 to the numerator. So it will become 1 into 5 is nothing but 5. So you got minus 4 by 10 and 5 by 10. So there cannot be 10 rational numbers between these two numbers. Why? Because you can see here minus 4 by 10, minus 3 by 10, minus 2 by 10, minus 1 by 10, 0 by 10, 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 3 by 10, 4 by 10. Okay, you are having only 8 numbers between your minus 4 by 10 and 5 by 10. So you need how many numbers? 10 numbers. So what you have to do is, you again have to multiply these both the numbers with 2. Okay, so as soon you multiply these two numbers with 2, the answer is minus 8 by 20 as well as 10 by 20. Now you can write 10 numbers between this. You can use any of the numbers between your 8 by 20 and 10 by 20. You have to note that the minus 8 by 20 and 10 by 20 should not appear in this answer. Okay, leaving minus 8 by 20 and 10 by 20, the middle numbers, you can write the middle numbers. Okay, between this number you can write any of the numbers. So the second question here was, 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. So 5 and 4. So LCM of 5 and 4 is 20. So you have to check it. 5 into something is equal to 20. So that is 5 into 4 is equal to 20. Similar number you will write to the numerator. So you will get 3 4s are 12. Similarly 4 into 5 is 20. So this 5 you are going to write in the numerator. You are going to get 3 5s are 15. Now you can see 12 and between 12 by 20 and 15 by 20 there are only two numbers, that is 13 by 20 and 14 by 20. Okay, so you need how many numbers? You need 10 numbers. So what you are going to do is you have to multiply this number with 2. Okay, you will multiply this number with 2. After multiplying this number with 2, what you are going to get is 12 2s are 24 and 20 2s are 40. Similarly 15 2s are 30 and 20 2s are 40. So here you got 24 by 40 and 30 by 40. So in between these two you are going to get only 5 or 6 numbers. So again what you have to do, you again have to multiply this with 2 again. Until you get your 10 numbers between these two, you have to go on multiplying it by 2 again and again. So again you will multiply, you will get 48 by 80, similarly 60 by 80. Now you can have 10 numbers between this 48 by 80 as well as 60 by 80. So you can write any numbers, you can pick up any numbers between those and you can write 10 numbers between 48 by 60 as well as 48 by 80 as well as 60 by 80. Okay. So moving on to the fifth question. Write 5 rational numbers that are greater than minus 2. As you can see here, 5 numbers must be greater than minus 2. As I have shown here the number line will increases in the right side. It means you need greater numbers than minus 2. So you can write minus 3 by 2, minus 1, minus 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 2, 3, 3 by 2. So any 5 numbers out of this you can write. Okay, you can even write some another numbers like 5 by 1. So you can see minus 2 by 1 it is. So you can even write plus 5 by 1, plus 3 by 1, plus 100 by 1. So that number is also greater than the minus 2. So you can use those numbers also. Okay. So moving on to the next question. The last question. Here 3 questions are being given. Find 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5, minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3, 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. So the first question is 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Similarly, as we have done backside, we have to find the LCM of 3 by 5. It will be 15 and 3 5s are 15 we are getting. Same number we have to multiply to the numerator. Here we are getting 5 3s are 15. Same number will be multiplied here. Here we will be getting 4 3s are 12 by 15. So we will get only one number between 10 by 15 and 12 by 15. We need how many numbers? We need 5 numbers. So what we have to do? We again have to multiply it by 2. We will get 20 by 30 as well as 24 by 30. So here again we cannot get the numbers because here there are only 21 by 30, 22 by 30 and 23 by 30. Only 3 numbers are left between these 2 numbers. So we will again multiply it by 2. We are going to get 40 by 60 as well as 48 by 60. Now you can write any 5 numbers out of these numbers and you can gain your answer. Okay. So the second one is minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. So 2 and 3, LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So 2 3s are we are getting 6. Similarly 3 2s are we are getting 6. So what we have to do is we will multiply the same thing to the numerator here also, here also. We are going to get minus 9 by 6 and here plus 10 by 6. So we will get numerous number between minus 9 by 6 as well as plus 10 by 6. So we can write any 5 rational numbers out of these 2 numbers. Okay, you can choose any number between minus 9 by 6 and plus 10 by 6. Coming to the last problem, that is 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. So we need 5 rational numbers between this. Okay. So the LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. Okay. So it will be 4 into 1 is 4. Similarly 1 will be written in the numerator part. Here 2 into 2 is 4. Similarly this will be written in the numerator part. 2 will be written. We will get 1 by 4 and 2 by 4. So we can see there is no rational number between 1 by 4 and 2 by 4. So what we will be doing? We will be multiplying 2 with this number. So what the answer we will be getting? 2 by 8 as well as 4 by 8. Now we can see there is only one rational number between this, that is 3 by 8. We need how many numbers? We need 5 numbers. So what we have to do? We will multiply it by 2. So we will get 4 by 16 and here we will get 8 by 16. Now we got 5 by 16, 6 by 16, 7 by 16. 3 numbers we got. We need 5 numbers. So again once more we will multiply it by 2. Then we are going to get 8 by 32 as well as 16 by 32. Now we can choose any 5 number out of these numbers and we can write it as answer. Okay, so that's all for today. This is the end of exercise 2.2 as well as the chapter rational numbers. I hope you liked the video and you have understood the video. If you have any doubts regarding this chapter, you can comment me down below, and please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.